Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the isometric drawing tool to help you make multi-view sketches. So I'm going to use this object off to my right as the example. So I have this isometric drawing of this rectangular shape. I'm going to recreate it within this program to help me draw the top, front, and right views. You're first going to want to click on Create Cube, and then choose a color. Light colors work best. You also want to start at the back of this object and build forwards. So I'm going to first show you a mistake so that you can see what to do if you make a mistake. You can erase the cubes. If it's a situation where one's hidden back and it's hard for you to pick on it, you can also use this rotate and take your finger and go around. So I just wanted to show you a mistake in case you do that right off the bat. So back to creating cubes. I'm going to start in the very back of this, and it's 3 wide by 5 tall. So 3 wide and then 5 tall. So I'm just going to keep going until I get, like I said, if you end up putting a cube in the wrong spot, you can rotate and hit the erase tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm good. But this thing is too deep, so now I need to add a whole nother lot of cubes on the front here. Cool. Now I'm going to use this shape to help myself draw my views. You can use a rotate tool. You can go into inspect. I'm on a computer, so I have to use my cursor. You guys can just use your finger and rotate this around. So this is the isometric orientation that I gave you. Thus, the front would look like this. The top would be oriented this way. It's hard to get this thing perfect. And then your right side would be like that. Just really straight up and down, like that. And so in the end, what you end up with is a sketch that looks like this. So notice we modeled this in that isometric drawing tool. And then the front, I rotated to see it. The top, make sure you line up that left edge. So you do not want to rotate the top. It should be horizontal here. And then when you do your right, make sure you line up the bottom edge. Hope this video helps in modeling your puzzle parts.